Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Ignite Website Marketing. This is your channel where you'll learn how to ignite your website marketing so you can get new leads for your business. So if you haven't already, please subscribe below. I got a lot of great material that's going to help you ignite your skill set in SEO, digital marketing, and website design. So today I want to talk to you guys about how to build trust on your website. So let's get rolling. Why is it important to build trust on your website? Well, it's important to build trust on your website if you want your visitors to take action. Very simple, right? And I'm going to share with you today some simple strategies that you can utilize on your website that will help you build trust with your visitors. Tip number one, you want to use testimonials on your website. So you can take your testimonials from Facebook, Google, Yelp, and any other social media platform and add those to your website. And there's certain plugins that you can use on your website that will display your testimonials to your website visitors. And you want to have this on your website because when your visitors see that you got a good review from other people, they're going to be like, okay, I trust this guy. I can do business with him. Or I see he's not going to rip me off. Or I see that his product is the best. So I can do business with him. So that is why testimonials are so powerful. And you can also, like, another effective type of testimonial is doing a video testimonial. If you want to add a couple of video testimonials to your website where people talk about like your services or the products and how it benefited them and helped solve the problem, that's going to be really powerful for when a visitor sees that on your website, and they're going to be like, okay, great, I can trust the person, I'm going to take action. So I want to just show you very quickly, like, some of the testimonials I have embedded on some clients' websites that I've done, just to kind of give you an idea of, where to place these. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and we'll go. So on here, you will see that at the end here, we have some testimonials, and this is just like a simple, like, social media plugin and that was used. And you see they got all these positive reviews right here. And another strategy I implemented, so right before the visitor takes action, I put the testimonials first and then have the call to action right below it. And as you will see, this can be a very effective strategy because if, say people are just, they like what your services, what you have to offer and everything so far, and when they scroll down, they read the testimonials, they're kind of a little doubtful, but when they see the testimonials and they'd be like, oh, well, look at 5 stars and good reviews. And they'll be like, okay, wait, I'm not going to second guess myself. I can trust this person. And then they'll, the call to action's right there, and they're going to do whatever action it is you want them to do. Like, you can have them sign up for like an email. You can have them just call you for a quote. You can have them sign up for a series, whatever it is you're doing, or a free gift, whatever it is you want to offer on your website. So this is very effective to add the testimonials to your website. You can see, like, right there, like 5 stars, like, I'm sold already. And another effective, I put them on my website too. Like, I just talk about like the results I'm going to get people with my website and SEO and digital marketing skills. And so I have like the 4 results and got the call to action, and then the testimonials like right below it. So like they can go and read the testimonials very quickly before deciding whether or not they want to call me. And this has been like a very helpful. Like, when I utilize this, I noticed I was getting a little bit more phone calls off from my website. Like, yes. So definitely add written testimonials from your social media platforms. And from, if you can find them, get video testimonials, because that's going to be really effective. Tip number 2, add trust logos to your website. And so you can add trust logos like a BBB logo, a 5-star Google review logo, a 5-star Yelp logo. And then what you can do is add a link to those particular pages so people can go read all the reviews that you have. And then another way you can utilize logos is show some of the logos from some of the clients that you have served. And you can maybe talk with your clients too, to ask them to put your logo up on the website. And when other people see that you've worked with these companies before, if they are on that other person's website and they see your logo there, it's going to establish some sort of trust with the visitor, and they're going to be like, okay, this person is credible. So like I said, pick some of like your the Google ones are very effective, the 5-star Google review logos. Depending on what your business is, a BBB logo is, or you could say your company won an award, at some, like contest or something like that, or was voted like best company local in your area. See if you can get some sort of a badge that you can add to your website. So when people land on your website and they see those badges, they're going to be like, okay, great. This guy won the best pizza place award in town and got 5-star Google reviews and 5-star Yelp reviews. They just click on those logos and stuff, and it just kind of, confirm that the testimonials are valid, that they do got the 5-star reviews, and they did win the award for the top pizza place. Now I'm just using the pizza place as an example, but you guys know what I mean. And finally, another strategy that you can utilize that will help you to build trust is just to do like a short video that you can embed on the landing page of your website. In this video, you can just like be face to face with the audience. Well, you'll be on the video, but you can just kind of talk about what it is that your business is about, and say that you do X, Y, and Z, and you can perform this, that, and that. And then like maybe in the video too, somewhere you can add like a testimonial from people who have used your products. And what this is going to do when a visitor lands on your website, it's going to show them that, hey, this guy's a real person. He's a real business owner. Like this is the owner getting on camera talking about his services. Like not too many people do this, where they put like a video on their squeeze page of their website where they just kind of get up there, talk about the mission statement, talk about the benefits and how their product can solve the problem for the visitor who's landing to the website. And when you do that video for your squeeze page, it's gonna make you seem real, because like even though you're not in the room with that person, the fact that you're getting on camera in front of a video and you're talking to the visitor at your website, and that person's going to feel somewhat of a connection with you as well, because you're talking to them face to face, but through the computer. So it's an interesting concept. And I mentioned this before, but like some of the clients that I put videos on their website, on their squeeze pages, have come back to me and said, Rob, I've had a lot of people compliment me, saying that, the fact that I had a video talking about my services and just kind of pointing out the highlights of my services helped them build a little trust with me, because they felt like I was there talking to them, even though I wasn't. They just felt that connection of like another human being talking to another human being. So there you go. Like you can just add like a video of yourself going and talking about your product, services, whatever it might be. That will help you build trust. And I know I said the video thing was the final thing, but one other thing came to mind, and I'm going to share with you this golden nugget because it's so awesome. But you can also go and do some guest posting on other people's websites. And what this will do is like you can write. So what guest posting is like, say you're a fitness instructor or a mindfulness coach, whatever it is you're doing. I mean, anyone can do this. But what you can do is like you can go on other websites that will allow you to write an article, and what they'll do is they'll post it on their website. And this is effective because it will show, say you got a blog article about mindfulness on a website that is very credible for mindfulness. It's, a lot of people come across that blog that they allowed you to publish on there. This will help you drive traffic to your website too, but it also shows that you're an expert in what it is you're doing. So you want to do like guest posting, because that's really going to help you not just get exposure, but build trust. Because when people like see that you're blog and you're writing for like a website that's, you know, just very credible in the niche area, whatever it is it might be, they're going to be like, man, this guy knows what he's talking about. He must be good if this website is allowing him to publish his blog. And so there you go. You can use that and then like add like they'll give you like a backlink in the article, and like people will click to your website. So that's another effective way. Oh, and also like some people will also allow you to post a picture of yourself, and you know, just like a link of your website so they can see. So there you go. People will get to see who you are. So that's a very effective strategy that you can utilize too, is guest posting. And I'm going to put a card up here on the top here and show you how to do guest posting, so you can try that strategy for yourself. And it's a very effective strategy. Will help build trust with an audience, and then also help build your domain authority on Google. That will help you rank for keywords in the future. So there you go. Very cool golden nugget that I just forgot to mention, but I was like, okay, gotta mention it. I thought about it like during when I was talking about the video thing. I'm like, so I gotta mention this before I get off this video here. So thanks everyone for watching the video. And if you like what you saw, give it a double thumbs up. Oh, we can only do one thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share this video with other people, because I just want to help people get ignite their website marketing so they can get new leads for their business. So definitely share it. And until then, I will see you next time. And remember to ignite your website marketing.